we have considered the following questions. Whether the petitioners who have been allotted seats in the first, second selection rounds by the KEA and have taken admissions in the corresponding medical colleges can assert a right to take part in the third selection round for allotment of the consequential seats as we have defined, and assert a right to participate in the second stage of the third selection round for allotment of seats to the consequential vacancies as we have defined. The next is whether the KEA has acted arbitrarily in excluding the petitioners and permitting the new entrants in the second stage of the third selection round. These are the questions that we have. And our operative portion of our order is the petitions are allowed in part, quashing the provisional selection list dated 24/10/2025. The KEA is issued with the following directions: to publish on its website and in 2 English Kannada dailies with wide publication the outcome of these writ petitions. To firstly undertake the process for allotment of the additional seats, 443, for those candidates who are permitted to participate, and this process shall be based on the options as already entered. To secondly, undertake the process for allotment of those additional seats which are not taken in the first stage as mentioned in direction B2. To next undertake the process for allotment of the consequential seats 377 and the seats that remain after the process under direction B2 and B3. The entire process in terms of directions that B shall be completed by 17/12/2025 and the list submitted to NMC by the state. The NMC is called upon to consider granting approval for the list submitted by the KEA in terms of direction C, notwithstanding the delay in such submission. The NMC, the next is, the NMC, when it proposes additional intake for the next academic year and the state publishes the seat matrix for such additional seats, are directed to consider the circumstances outlined and the observations in para 9 of this judgment.
May I make one request? Lordship has said NMC only. Lordship say all stakeholders. Universities are not parties here.
Now we have said approval and publication. We have made certain observations in para 9.
Done.
That would be, sir.
We'll look into it.
You will have the copies. We have not signed.
Yes.
You will have the copies. We will be in the. She will retire to the chambers.
Yes.
If you need further directions to make this work,
Yes.
please tell us. Come with the councils on record. Only with the councils on record. Tell us what we have. We may indicate that what we have said is that for those additional seats that are approved after
Yes.
the second round, you must mirror the process that you follow in answers.
Yes. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.